Today I am explaining question number 26 of CBSE sample paper. In this, Health Well Limited already has a share capital of 80 lakh of rupees 100 each share and 20,000 8% debentures of 100 each. They further need 55 lakhs rupees as additional funds. So for 55 lakh they decided to issue debentures at 10% premium. The debentures are of same class which they have already issued, that is 8% debentures, and redeemable at 20% premium. So this is the case of issue at premium and redemption at premium. These debentures are issued on 1st October. So we have to take care of the date also. Date is very important. So first we have to do pass the entries for issue of debentures. So first we know how much the amount is collected. Amount collected is 55,000. But 55 lakh. But this 55 lakh is not only of debenture, but it includes premium also. So we will, for issue of debentures, we should know what is the number of debenture issued. So to find out the number of debentures, we have to do 55 lakhs divided by 110. 110 why? Because 100 plus 10 rupees premium. So they have issued number of 50,000 debentures. So we will take care of this amount. And now the issue entries will be bank account debit to debenture application allotment. 55 lakh is collected. So how this amount is collected? With debenture application allotment debit with 55 lakh. Now 8% debenture we have issued, and the number of debenture we have right now find, it is 50,000 into 100 rupees each debenture. तो 50 लाख रुपीज़ के डिबेंचर्स हैं एंड एसपी सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम कितना है 50,000 डिबेंचर्स पे 10 रुपीज़ सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम, इट इज़ 5 lakh. So this total amount equal to 55 lakh. This and this. Now it is debit and credit, both are same. Now these debentures are redeemable at premium and redemption is at 20%. तो 100 का 20% is ₹20. तो these 50,000 debentures are redeemed at 20 rupees of premium. So for 20 rupees premium, it is equal to 10 lakh. तो premium on redemption is 10 lakh. Premium in redemption is a loss on issue of debentures. So we will debit this 10 lakh in the here. Loss on issue of debenture is equal to 10 lakh. This 10 lakh and this lakh, debit and credit is equal. Now hope the entry is clear. Now we come to the second part, and second part is we have to prepare loss on issue of debenture account assuming there is existing balance in security premium account 2,80,000. It means we already have 2,80,000 in our SP account, and we have to prepare loss on issue of debenture account. So we write off loss on issue of debenture account first from SP and then from statement of P&L account. Now in SP, how much amount we have? We already have 2,80,000 rupees in SP, and we have just issued the debenture on premium. So we have 5 lakh more. Now the total SP we have is 5 lakh plus 2.8, यानी कि हमारे पास SP जो है वो 7,80,000 का वी हैव SP. So we will write off, we will prepare the account loss on issue of debenture. How to prepare it is very simple. In debit side, what we put? We put premium on redemption. From where this amount has come? Loss on issue of debenture. From where this 10 lakh will come? Loss on issue of debenture on this amount. It has come from here, premium on redemption. Premium on redemption is 10 lakh. So we will debit loss on issue of debentures. We will debit with premium on redemption on 1st October. Now we will write down at the end of the year. At the end of the year, we have security premium of 7,80,000. And how this amount has come, I have already explained. 2.8 we already have 2,80,000, and we have issued at premium. Now we have total of 7,80,000. So out of 10 lakh, we will write off 7,80,000 from SP and remaining 2,20,000 from statement of profit and loss account. So this whole 10 lakh is written off from SP and statement of profit and loss account. Hope this part is also clear. Now we come to part C. In part C, what we have to do? We have to pass the entries on interest on debentures on 31st March 2022. Here Dates are very important because they are paying interest on 30th September and 31st March every year. So we have to do the entry of interest only on 31st March, and we have issued these debentures on 1st October 2021. So from 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022, these debentures are issued only for 6 months. So we will pay up to here, and up to here we have to calculate interest of 6 months only. And what is the rate? Rate will be 8% debentures, because we have issued same class of debentures here. So what will be the entry for interest? How to calculate interest? We have 50,000 rupees as debentures, 50 lakh as debenture amount, into 6 upon 12 into 8 upon 100. So this amount will comes to 2 lakh. If we calculate this, it will equal to 2 lakh. Okay. Now the entry for due of debentures will be debenture interest account debit to debenture holder. Why we have debited is because it is a loss, and loss are debited. And why? And debenture holders will be credited because amount is due to them. They have become our creditors. So when amount is due to somebody, they are our creditors, and when creditors increase, they are credited. So debenture interest account debit to debenture holder, this is our loss, so it is debited. They are our creditors, so they are credited. So this is the entry for due. And when we pay them, they will be like, the entry will be debenture holders account debit 2 lakh to bank. Bank is credited because we are paying. When something comes out from the bank, then we pay. I will write the whole entry here. Debenture holders account debit to bank with 2 lakh rupees. Debenture holders account debit to bank. In the first entry, this amount was due to them, so they were credited in the first entry. Now we are paying them, so they will be debited to bank. And now this is also our loss. Interest is our loss. It was debited in the first entry here. It is our loss. It is debited here in the first entry. And now to write off this loss, we will write off it from statement of profit and loss account. Why we will write off it from here? Because SP we have already used in loss on issue of debentures for premium. We have already used our security premium. So we will write this 2 lakh loss from debenture from statement of profit and loss account. So statement of profit and loss account debit to debenture interest with 2 lakh rupees. This question was of 6 marks in CBSE sample paper, and it is very important and very easy. Thank you.